Hello little artist. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Strawberry drawing. At first, we took a black marker. Next we start the drawing from leaves. Next we draw a curve. To draw the body part. Here we draw a big curved line, like that. To draw the strawberry. Here we added some black dotted. Strawberries are delicious, heart-shaped, red fruits that are a favorite for many, including kids. They are sweet and juicy and often eaten fresh or used in desserts. Red color. Strawberries are also packed with vitamins and minerals, making them a healthy treat. Strawberries are small, red fruits that grow on plants, close to the ground. They have a sweet and slightly tart taste. Strawberries are heart-shaped and have tiny seeds on the outside. These seeds are actually called achenes. A strawberry is not a berry, it's an aggregate fruit. This means it grows from one flower with multiple ovaries. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, which helps keep us healthy. They are also a good source of other vitamins and minerals. Kids love to eat strawberries fresh, dipped in chocolate, or in desserts. Strawberries can be used to make jam, juice, and even milkshakes. They are often used to decorate cakes and other treats. Strawberry plants grow in many parts of the world. They are typically harvested in the spring and summer. Strawberries are a member of the rose family. Some strawberries can grow quite large. Wild strawberries are smaller and have a more intense flavor. Strawberries can be a fun addition to a child's lunchbox. They are a healthy and tasty snack. Many kids enjoy picking strawberries at farms. Learning about strawberries can be fun and educational. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.